Hello Heyday fans, I'm Darren Hager, Chief Everything Officer at heydayfootwear.com. Today we're going to take a quick look at the newest Super Freak Ninja. Super Freak Ninja is in triple black, meaning it's the entire upper is black and the sole is black. It sits on our nearly flat but cushioned cardio sole, which has a rubber heel pad in the back to give some additional traction and prevent wear on heel strike. The upper is a mix of tough as nails black ballistic mesh, and under here on the quarter as well as on the back panel is a microfiber suede, which provides some additional structure and also just a slight change in the appearance of the material. And on a triple black shoe, I think it is good to have some slight changes in the material just to break up the look a little bit. It has our signature wraparound tongue, which can snap onto the collar if you choose to. Our new TPU rubber logo, molded logo on the tongue, and then we have done away with having elastic straps. You may remember the compression straps that we had on many of our shoes, which used snap hardware, which would snap here and here, but we had too many issues with either straps not staying on or occasionally a piece of the metal strap breaking off. So we have since switched to an all Velcro strap that does not use any snap hardware. We run it through the heel loop in the back, but it doesn't have to. And the strap just goes through a simple D-ring and then closes on itself, and you can really crank it down. You can wear it without the strap as well. We've added the logo onto the heel loop webbing on the back. It comes with oval black laces, terry cloth lining, removable memory foam footbed. These are incredibly comfortable and light, and you're going to love them whether you're doing leg day or cardio or just looking amazing in the street. It's not hype, it's Heyday.